Looking delicious. Let's cut this one in half. Thing, oh beauty. Can't wait to try this. They look amazing. All right, let's try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's way better than Popeyes. I tried it recently, like a couple of years ago. This is so much better. Oh, the flavor. There's a real depth of flavor in the chicken from the marinade. The whole thing has some heat, but it's not too hot. The mayonnaise is fantastic. Lovely crunchy exterior. Jesus, is good. This is really good. I always say that, but this is an absolute banger. I've already eaten half of it. I'm going in for the next piece. Absolutely delicious. Oh my God, so good. I wish the girls were here so they could try this. It's really good. Goes well with beer. Or would go very well with beer and chips. Those are the two other pieces that I cooked earlier. Just wanted you to see them, how well they turned out. This here in particular is very good. Extra crunch, as is that piece there. Very, very good. Fantastic. Really good. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, everything. I need the channel to grow. I want the channel to grow, and I know you like the content. So until tomorrow. Oh, don't forget to watch the spice bag video. I'll include a link above. It's the most popular video. So until tomorrow, take care, guys and girls. Get your chicken breast. That's a little bit too big for one sandwich, okay? So we want to make that a little bit thinner. So we're gonna just go in at an angle like that, okay? Now, that's gonna make a good sandwich. And so will that, even though it's a bit bigger. Okay, we can kind of squish it down just a little bit like that, okay? It's a bit flatter, what we want. And that's gonna make a good sandwich too. You see? Do that with the other breast as well. This is already perfect. And then we can perfect. Now you probably think I'm mad doing this, but I'm just going to put in a little bit of milk up to the ball. Then I'm going to put in my salt, garlic powder, chili powder, jalapeno powder. Pour in our buttermilk. Pour in our mixed buttermilk. Let's put our chicken in. All right, so you need to leave this in the fridge for an hour, ideally overnight. I'll come back to it soon. See you soon. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Half a cup cornstarch, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 of paprika, half a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Here's the marinated chicken after about 1 hour. Use a fork just to pull it out and drop it in. Now, if you like, you can take some of the dippy sauce and then just knock them around in it, okay? You'll end up with some clumps sticking to your chicken. Very tasty chunks. Turn them over, do the same thing to the other side. Now use a fork to take it out and leave it on a sheet like that, okay? Anything you have, any kind of tray. Shake off the excess. That looks good. Let that sit for about 10 minutes. We want the batter to adhere properly. If you don't let it sit for 10 minutes, it will release and it'll come off in the oil bath. And there we have it, folks. The star of the show, black garlic. I always thought it was like a variety or a species of garlic. It's garlic that's actually been cooked at about 60 Celsius, high humidity for a week or so, and you get these like nice flavors. It tastes a little bit like balsamic vinegar apparently. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like inside. Wow, look at that. That's mad, isn't it? Black garlic. Alright, they come out easy enough. Squeeze of lemon juice. And 3/4 of a cup or 180 grams of mayonnaise. Hey, perfect pour. Ah, there we go, perfect. Put in the 8 cloves of black garlic, tablespoon of hot sauce, paprika, and salt. Let's put this in the mixer. You have to get in here and knock this down, otherwise it's going to be stuck to the sides of it, okay? So knock it down like that. Oh, that tastes really good. Yeah, that tastes really nice. Jesus Christ almighty. Let's get some oil in here. Done. So we want 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius, and I'm just going to lower this in. Perfect. So looking for 165 Fahrenheit, 75 Celsius. Okay. We're at it now. Looking good. Looking very good. Put it onto a bit of paper. All right. Second goes the charm, right? This is a thinner piece of chicken. Let's have a look. It's looking pretty good. Oh, that is looking good. That is looking good. Good, 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 good. While that's frying away, get some mayonnaise onto your brioche buns and spread it out. This will allow your buns to brown really nicely on the frying pan with just a little bit of heat. You only need a little bit. I'm actually scraping off quite a bit. That's a hot pan, they'll brown quickly. Oh fuck, that's hot. Holy shit. Oh, Jesus, that's hot. All right, on with the presentation. Put your mayonnaise on. Spread it around all the way to the edges. Get your pickles. More pickles. More pickles. Pickle. Pickle Rick. It's looking good. Chicken in the middle. And then some more mayonnaise on the other bun. Like that. So let's put it together. And because I'm a dumbass, I put it upside down. Focus you. Looking delicious. Let's cut this one in half, see what happens. Thing of beauty. Look at that. Thing of beauty. Can't wait to try this. They look amazing. All right. Time to give it a shot. Should be cooled down. Yeah, it's not too hot. All right, let's try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's way better than Popeyes. I tried it recently. Like a couple of years ago. This is so much better. Oh, the flavor. There's a real depth of flavor in the chicken from the marinade. The whole thing has some heat, but it's not too hot. The mayonnaise is fantastic. Lovely crunchy exterior. Jesus, is good. This is really good. I always say that, but this is an absolute banger. I've already eaten half of it. I'm going in for the next piece. Absolutely delicious. Oh my god. So good. I wish the girls were here so they could try this. It's really good. Goes well with beer. Or would go very well with beer and chips. Those are the two other pieces that I cooked earlier. Just wanted you to see them, how well they turned out. This here in particular is very good. Extra crunch, as is that piece there. Very, very good. Fantastic. Really good. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, everything. I need the channel to grow, I want the channel to grow, and I know you like the content. So, until tomorrow, oh, don't forget to watch the spice bag video. I'll include a link above. It's the most popular video. So, until tomorrow, take care guys and girls.